Seatbelt, D. Seatbelt. Brake check, D.
Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm like, GG. Alright. Fuck yeah. Shut up. I don't care about it. Shut up.
You're 130 pounds soaking wet.
Talk about gonna be all over this motherfucker. Glasses still gonna be my favorite. Glasses gonna be like this. Ah! Ah! Shit.
That's why you need your seatbelt on.
I love it.
Like a nickel.
Or a penny. Or a quarter. Or a cent. Or lint. When I go into my pocket, I feel lint. Can't wait till I fill them up with 15 cents.
You should be a rapper. You got bars. You should do it. I think you can do it, okay? You should do it professionally. I'm serious. You should totally be a rapper.
Leave me alone.
They gonna call him C. Diddy.
C. Diddy.